Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our mass airflow sensor. That's going to be located right on the air filter housing in this area. To start removing this, let's go right here to this red tab. This is the locking tab, so essentially you just want to kind of get behind it. We're going to draw it away. Once it's unlatched, let's go ahead and press down on this area right here and we'll pull off the wiring harness. Every time you disconnect something electrical, just take a peek at it. If you see funny colors, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This looks fine, so I'll set it aside. Next, we're going to remove our two T20 Torx screws. Grab the sensor and remove it. Okay, now it's time to install our brand new mass airflow sensor. For this, you want to make sure you have it in the proper position. You can see the sensing unit, that's this area right here. That needs to be facing towards where the air filter is. This is super important. If you put it in backwards, you're going to have an issue. Let's go ahead and put this right in here, nice and easy. Now we can start in both of our mounting bolts and snug them up. Once they're both started, go ahead and snug them up. Make sure they're nice and snug. Now we can connect in our wiring. Press it straight in, listen for a click. There it is. I'm going to give it a little tug, make sure it's secure, and then lock it in by pressing in this red tab.